on Adom 106.3 FM. You're about to say live on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM. Can one year soon can one join the stream join be better me call you come around 5 years the more. And you is a crowd. Even Squabana Sappoint producer set Dazi and so I can den Sansa sports team now headed by Professor Wallace and a nay. Yet is some Brian Wakai at the Nankasa Kegyiwa. Eric Asiedu Boadi.
Adom Sports number 1.
Yet is a question when I have first number. I shall say the Fi Congress here preparatory. Wouldn't say you really say to me, Yaman and Kwasaka can say a preparatory crackman who the echo actually. None someone penny for the quarter to Jawasiano. They are not yet telepower muno. The telepower muno a term limited one. And when for what you to say, President Bia National, Oko 1 term 4 years, second term 8 years. Now I got term account. We know the 12 years was a 2 month quandia. What transfer 3 times to be Nasa and Papa, the national margin was also saying, waiting penny for more dream. They tell them what you 2 money at the idea. Asiedu ya CEO the man gold stars, Bibiani gold stars, and once I make him a party, someone to just say, Mamma can say something in sense. I want to say, Papa. I don't know, and yes, and Papa could put in your cotton and say, Samrano.
I was a cool senior direction at the airport. No, we have to do so there. Direction was a blow you say no. It's no just an extension for the office, but it's not for an individual. Because it's not for an individual. It's not a President Ket years of Kekutisuntino and as you automatic what term what president. Let's correct that. I'm not for interest in the present sitting future. Okay, look, say we proceed. Say next election, they make contest ticket. Now we lose. Let me win it. Let's say and then when you sit 3 times, you are just tomorrow. Would I say they 2 terms, you know, make 2 terms na makaza. It's not like that.
Asiedu CEO Adema Bibiani co-star so no so kan one no mojitu mo say President we betena so enko 3 times no yaka 3 times no TT brothers Mr. Executive wono na kwambia so kokopie mu won club a wose ne club no yesisi ne do tia na ne buafu papa di sama tudwa ese kwambia so no mo manage football sisi na to da bi o man yet say the nipa ba kopa na nyansa woni tim hey 3 times 2 no dey there na wo pe ba kwasan ka ho Mr. Executive TT brothers in summer. What you to at the Afa 3 times in the one on all 3 months. Kwambia so no Ghana for mu sorry o Ghana for mu so ntimatna ama papa ya kwa je to 3 times and pan for odwe wo kra won tia secret TT brothers ni
se me kasa me nia na me to fie na mbo no mo dia me kasa me nia mbo no mo din kasa me nia mbo mo din because we are sim ni na share good na ko kan bibi na afeva wo nia pe target don't know. Why one person want to show the whole world say Onuka no better manage Ghana football? It's not possible. Now sometimes you say football. Who are the football people? They don't want Ghana football better, or they want to reach their self. Akaka who got up the footballer. I say you know who declare access now before who made this president. No woman national speak. You have to tell the background. According to history, no share na brabo wabo yowo ni bioni asana obetena chakunyasu yendi ye nkopo hu ye say odiegini and the tobacco me onu more than 20 clubs because of votes. I say the national speak for Nankasa say I'm sorry.
Way and summer Mr. Executive TT brothers what you tuja I watch the most company for sorry na nyani pa ko pen nyansa woni tim yaka congress the referees so ti dey o say referees say scared the moment tutumo 25 2000 1000 division 1 kro wanya kro 1000 bi dey udi match bi abenya de ahye ho no na akopie mu ora let's go te ko yaka na referees na down ma no what say mu atuja fa ho.
Now it means that the FA is expecting a lot more from us and also from referees. Well, you know, making sure they all live up to that station. It is work. Plans has always been the same. Medical test. This is weekend. We are going to everything. Also, we are the same fitness test group. The processes and operations. It is yes, I area. Now, after the classification committee, meeting, and then they will do the selection. Premier League referees, the DOL referees, and then the Women's Premier League. Then now you have the Maba for a training course. You know, your process is in India, and we are not going to change it. The only thing I would man say, whoever will get the opportunity to be on the premiership, a lot of work. I mean, we are not going to just let them come on. You know, I mean, a lot of work will go into it. We would monitor them more than what we have been doing in the previous years.
What referee Malascote one known referees manager Ghana Football Association in some no but yakane sa no yanko kopie mu hwese foforo kopie mu Bayera Sports Stadium akotoko betima bobo one as want me mo bo sa na no ya say ye ka fofo say back with yes yanko pomba mu ni ade a but inspection akoso na yanko go tie de akoso Bayera Ashanti Regional Director of the NSA Madam Nana Jama Dakwa wa chire mu de akoso Bayera
Removal printed with the new that any fish. The way so I saw a progression. I watch and so air cost. I did this was a bear fertilizer, living in a MSC. Library of Hosea, the Sabaya Kotoko. It did not find no material mobile. So if Bayara and your kitchen on corner, Minister Bayer your call rounds, you will say irrigation system on problem of your reserve bench and also problem of your shed dressing rooms and also plumbing fittings any stands anymore and also problem of you take it with any gate who do in a calf ban near mana woman Katanka crani and the challenges ready a idea born in as and for Munina way said the near my calf. I say what's here you and one ma yaso wa yan kakran
all right madam Yama you know say amina kwa wa chire mu okay ye be dia chire say de be kwakosie but yaka kotokwa asam na Africa no wa mane kwara Nigeria kwara ene kotokwa ne bebo but ye di kotokwa preseason na chi omo bobo friendly matches kakra ne ade a enya sam keto anti ye hwe so metumi abo ne kra mo ne emancipation for bebo 8 am no mo de pem so no masa ne soccer academy ba ko friend need soccer academy abo ne 4 pm it egusu de machi pap karim jito so egusu ye jma so be ready.
Everybody who qualifies to play in the competition is a good club. Even though I met them during my stay with Dream FC, it's still very tough for us. It was still very tough, but we'll do everything possible to eliminate them. You can't compare Dreams to Kotoko. Players maturity. I think Kotoko is ahead of Dreams. But aside that, there were some issues with the young ones that I'm trying to build with this club again. Now, they rather will also be thinking about Kotoko than we thinking about them. Because they know Kotoko is a big club or was once African champion or twice an African champion. So definitely they will be very serious. Us will be more serious than them. But we meeting Kwara State is a team I played before and I know how they operate. So it's a little bit dicey with me. So seriously, I know it won't be an easy game for Kotoko. Looking at our side with more players, more consistency, we are now trying to build the team to that level. So I think with a little bit of hard work, we can make it.
Coach and Dindi Karim Zito, quiet coach at the Makoroko. Not as answer me to draw that came against Kwara. Gusu the exterior on Sesino. As of Okoyan was says from Omni say, Omoka bid the Nemo as some neck panel of Lansbo. Etilan Susan Besha has I say Behemo. Kozidra man is no shaking more than Momora Machine. Mobile Babette something Pampana. Our class posted the video on the 17th of August. And it's a match and it's a duanisa. I'm much better. As a folk versus out of land. Now, I'm saying rather you have a super cup on a Kosoma near as a Kudus bet me. I'm a PSG for some bejade no. We are no more near you. Titiki last minute pa PSG abeti penalties boom amfa. Eti de yakoso ho no ma de won sam so e bro na no pay no. MTN is sim no. Medika kan wasa ma chora da na ye san kire mu e ka chora say papa. Ubenya bi my MTN app no download your App Store na Play Store. Go seamless today. Waka kire yigna yen ko seamless. Zanze no na e ko na record Bet Power, the home of Africa's big winners. Watch over 6,000 daily on Omo Casino no. Eti Bet Power no pe omo some yes ya konkon yen kan chero. So also bet me the 6,000 Ghana cedis ni bi nyeja ho. Use yourself to collect inside fa honjim. Sinomi noodles. Try it and feel it kama pass. Sinomi upe bibi dia sinomi noodles papa ni sinomi. Sanso na ponse fa the F pack ni bi extra bless kan one pay. Betway for the love of the game. Unya twankwa dia be the Betway semen kan chero say bet na ben os na so DB now your pensere. No kwedi esi akonkon. me the sports page 1 bro even squabena sapon said Dazi Professor Wallace be producers and a pomo come on my midin some nebrewo so one for Nankasa can Kegyiwa and why Haramu Kegyiwa Nankasani Eric Asiedu Boadi and you know one on so essential because what you just on some
Colgate